No, look at me. Look at that. What do you see?
I see the little tile. I see the jewelry tile.
What do you see? Is it beautiful? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, should we show everyone else what you see?
Yes.
Okay. Well, this is JoshsCindyLou, aka TwinnyTwinMom, and I'm here with Tears of Joy. Say hi.
Hi.
And are you excited?
Yes.
Because what do you see? What is that in there?
A pretty shower.
A pretty shower. Yay, pretty shower. Oh my goodness. Here, let me step back so I can get the whole thing. Oh my goodness. Look how beautiful it looks with the floor too. Yeah, you guys can finally see the floor.
Floor's made out of tile.
Fan is still here. Oh my goodness. There's no doors on it yet, which makes it so much easier to be able to see the whole thing. But I'm going to pan in. It is gorgeous.
It's beautiful.
I came today on Saturday and grouted so we can see, so I can't go inside, but you can see how light reflects off of the tile. And then there are my beautiful shelves. Aren't they great? And then they will come back and right here, about right here, they will put in the mirrored subway tiles so Daddy can have his little area to shave right here. It's gonna be wonderful. When you save time, you save money, right? Look how beautiful. And then there is the shampoo niche, or niche, however you want to say it. It looks amazing. And here is the other wall. Now keep in mind, this will be the wall I see the most of all, because I'm sorry, I'm not facing. I'm facing away. So this will be my line of sight over here, seeing all this. So let's see how pretty the tiles are. Oh yeah, very pretty. And I am in love with this grout color. It's called Haystack. And I wish I would have done this in the kitchen. Oh yeah, so wish I would have done this in the kitchen. Darn it. Love it.
That's cool.
You might already put Vanities. That's pretty neat, huh?
Oh yes, we're gonna have fun showering in here. Nobody's gonna want to leave. The floor of the shower looks amazing, and it looks so. My piggies, it looks so pretty. Oh no, you can't go inside, little girl. He just grouted.
I want to test it out.
Yeah, I'll bet. That's why there's no stuff. Oh, and it's our first time seeing the part. Okay, we're gonna have to go and clean all that out. Yay! And then we've got the little hole there for what they need. Anyway, they need a hole there for getting all the stuff in. So yay! And this will be replaced with the pretty one, but they want to keep that in there for now. So yay! It's our new shower. Thank you everyone for watching. This is our master shower. It is the tile and the grout is completed. All we need is shower doors and the plumbing, and we're good to go. So I will be back next week with that. This is day 38.